Hey guys, um, here we go again. This time it's a real blizzard. This time is bad, and this time I actually need to get to work in an hour. And this time, I really don't think this is gonna do justice. So we're gonna try anyways, and I want you guys to be with me when I get to see how my car looks. I don't think it's that bad considering it started about 5 hours ago, but you never know. So let's go, shall we? Alright. Oh. Good God. Wait a minute. Oh my good God, no way, no way. Oh no. I am not getting out of here. Hold on. Alright, this is about 30 billion times as bad as it was last time. Holy shit. Oh, no way. I can't even walk. This is about 2 feet of snow. Oh, you know what? Even after all this no way, no way. Shit. Oh, no! No! It's not impossible, but it requires hard work and something better than this. So, alright, so made it. Car's out. I moved it here. The guy from the big block actually kind of cleared up the path, and I got a little bit of extra help too. So let me just clear up the view so I can venture into the only thing I don't like, look at, oh my God. Let me try to make this less messy as possible. And here the adventure begins. Driving.
9, 5, and 7. The Renbrook School is closed. Ridgefield, Roadside Academy, St. Mary, Sales Elementary, Simsbury, Solomon Schechter.
He's not as bad as he looks when it comes to driving.
Springfield,
So I can
St.
afford to do
Bernard,
this
St.
for maybe 10
Christopher,
seconds
St. Cyril
before
and
I
Methodius,
get to
St. Joseph College, St. Timothy, St. Thomas, Suffield, Talcott Mountain Academy, the Cobb School, Ethel Walker, Farmington Valley Academy, Tolland, Torrington, Trinity Christian, Trinity College is closed.
Again, the only reason I'm recording, no cars in the vicinity whatsoever. And I'm stopping now. And a glorious moment as I arrive at my workplace. And come on, seriously dude, you're killing my oh shit, I can't move. Thanks guy. Alright. Yeah. Once I cross this gate, it's over. And you know what? That hospital, he's not letting me in. You know what? I can't stand for this anymore. I risked my life coming here, and the hospital will not let me in. I'm grabbing someone else's badges. So I made it. Some really nice nurse let me in. Why this hospital did this to me? There's just snow, serious snow going on. I risked my life to get here, and they won't give me access to the garage. That's just... Someone's gonna pay for this. Someone's gonna pay. Oh man. Idiot 1, Blizzard 0. I still upset they won't let me in. Jeez. Here I am coming back from my work shift, and the blizzard ended completely. This is my apartment complex, and this is what happened right after. It's not as horrible as they made it look. I mean, it's way worse than the last one, but like, I do like the fact that the trash containers are completely covered. That's kind of funny. Now here comes my final mission, and that's to find a parking spot. Hopefully I can find a clean-up area. Let's see. I think it's safe to have the camera like this, since unless a car shows out of the nowhere or some running kid after a ball. If that's the case, then he should not be playing outside. So too bad. Oh, what is that? It looks like a parking spot. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. I don't know if this is okay. Actually, yeah, it's fine. Survived the blizzard by driving in and out of work in horrible conditions. This makes me a super driver. This makes me an expert in the field. This makes me a god of driving. Holy, oh yeah, let's see a sad sight. Remember my little Toyota Camry? The one before the one my car? That's my Toyota Camry right there. Holy shit, I feel so bad. Actually, look at my neighbor's Infinity. That's even, whoa, that's worse, because at least mine can't move out of there for mechanical reasons, but this one was able to move, and this guy's gonna have such a great time getting out of here. Anyways, oh, my dear mother managed to, what the heck? My mom needs a little bit of help over here, and I guess someone attempting to free their car broke something. Holy moly. Oh, well, yeah, actually it was quite bad, you know. Let's see, let's measure how many inches this was. I'll say this is about